Eating healthy as a family doesn't have to be complicated or boring. Today, we'll show you how to create a family meal plan that's simple, nutritious, and works for everyone. Let's dive in. A healthy family meal plan includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Make your plate colorful. Each color brings unique nutrients. For example, spinach offers iron, while oranges give you vitamin C. Start by listing your family's favorite healthy dishes. Assign meals to specific days. For instance, Monday can be Meatless Monday with veggie pasta, while Friday can feature grilled chicken with roasted veggies. Write down all the ingredients you'll need for the week. This saves time, money, and helps you avoid unhealthy impulse buys. Let the kids join in. It's a great way to teach them about healthy eating. Chop vegetables, marinate proteins, and portion snacks over the weekend. Prepping ahead makes busy weekdays a breeze. Plus, it reduces the temptation to order fast food. Pack balanced meals for school or work. Include a protein, a fruit, a veggie, and a whole grain. A turkey wrap, apple slices, carrot sticks, and whole grain crackers are a great combo. Cook and eat together whenever possible. Family meals are not just about food. They're about bonding. Plus, kids are more likely to try new foods when they help prepare them. Remember, meals don't have to be fancy. Simple recipes with wholesome ingredients are often the best. Try dishes like baked salmon, quinoa, and steamed broccoli for a quick, healthy dinner. Healthy meals fuel happy families. By planning ahead, involving everyone, and focusing on balance, you can make healthy eating a part of your family's lifestyle.